northwestern Winona County in southeastern Minnesota, eastern Olmsted County in southeastern Minnesota, southeastern Wabasha County in southeastern Minnesota, until 10:15 p.m. At 9:28 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Iota, or 12 miles east of Rochester, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. This severe thunderstorm will be near Plainview around 9:40 p.m. Altura around 9:55 p.m. Buffalo City and Rawlingstone around 10:05 p.m. Alma around 10:10 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Viola, West Newton, Elba, Miniska and Beaver. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:15 p.m. for the following counties in Minnesota: Olmsted, Wabasha and Winona. You're listening